Welcome to amazing world of video editing. Today I'm going to show you different tools and techniques to create an amazing music to the beat video, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, let's see the preview of the video, then create that video from the scratch. So without any further ado, let's get started. It's your host Pixel Smile, and I hope you're gonna have a big smile after this video. Okay folks, now let's get started. You see, we did that video, and how actually we created that video, let me show you. It is very simple. Right now we have a music file in here, and we have different video files inside this folder. I'm not going to share you these video files because it's huge, but I'm going to share you a link in the description where you actually can download different video files which is copyright free, and if you want to download these videos, just check the link in the description. So first of all, we need to just right click on your soundtrack, and after then just choose this one, new sequence from clip. What it's going to do, it is going to create a timeline for us. You see a blank timeline, which is black right now because there is no video inside, but there is only an audio, which is actually we really want to first of all play with this soundtrack. Then we are going to go to the easiest step, which is adding video files. Let me show you. First of all, we need to remember a keyboard shortcut, which is M. M stands for marker. We are going to mark the soundtrack first, then start building our music to the beat, or beat to the music. I forget it actually. So how we do that? First of all, let's zoom into the timeline here. You can take this pin here and move it to the left. It is going to zoom here, and let's expand this section a little bit. I'm going to put my mouse between here and drag it down. It is optional actually. I just want you to see better. That's why I'm doing it right now. Now, the first thing you have to remember is do not select the track itself. You see, it is highlighted and it means that it is selected right now. Just select it out of this box. You see, I'm going to click in here. Okay, we just deselected the track. This is the important step. Just note it somewhere else. And take this pinpoint and move it to the left. You see, to the 0. It is in 0. We are going to start first. Now I'm going to press M. Mark here. First of all, now you see we just marked in here, and what you can do actually, you can just move it and mark the beat points here. You see we have some different beats in here, and you can just move your pin and hit M. You see we add a different marker, and you can do it as you go, but it is going to take a long time, right? You don't want to, move with your mouse. What you can do actually, you can play this sound and you can close your eyes. Then just listen to the music. And whenever you hear the beat, whenever you want the video start from that beat, you just hit the M. M keyboard shortcut, which stands for the marker, and let me show you how we can do it. I'm going to just zoom out for a little while, that I want you to see, closing my eyes, and I'm going to hit the space bar. Space bar starts the timeline playing. Then I'm going to take my finger to the on the M keyboard shortcut. Then just listen to the music. Let's play. Spacebar. M. let me show you what I'm doing right now. I'm not just a crazy person just doing this. You see, what I done right now, when I listen to the music, I felt that there is a beat. I pressed M. I'm going to do it in this version, zoomed version, and you can see it much better. Okay, let's go. Do not select the track. Okay, great. Let's spacebar. M. I just pressed this, but you couldn't see it, right? Right. But I pressed in here, and I'm doing it. M, 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 M. Now I can go till the end, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to waste your time. But what we did it, we added marker as we go. You can see these little pinpoints, marker points actually. We added these all by just listening to the music and pressing the M, which is great. This is the hardest part. This is the hardest part. Now we are going to the best part and the easiest one. So let's just zoom out and take this pinpoint. This is the next important note. Just take this one and move to the left. Then make sure that your audio soundtrack is, locked. Press this lock button here. It is locked right now. I can't move it anywhere. This is great because I don't want to move it. I want my soundtrack to be right there. Then go to your video files and find any video you want. These are the videos. I'm just going to show you how simple is this. I'm going to select some of these videos. Select the first one, then go and let's select the last one, this one. I'm pressing the shift key, okay? We just selected all of these videos. Then what we are going to do, try to find this button here, automate to sequence. This is the great button. Now I'm pressing it. You see this panel in here. What you are going to do, you have to make sure that if you have an audio and if you don't want to use that audio, just press check this box here, ignore audio. It is going to ignore all the audio inside your video files. Then let's overwrite edit, and this is the important one, add unnumbered markers. Great. Also, if you have an in and out range within your video, you can choose this one. If you don't know what it is, I'm going to explain you in a minute, but it is actually out of our tutorial, but I'm going to still explain this in and out range because it is one of the important tools within Adobe Premiere Pro, which if you don't know, after you know it, how to use it, it is a great tool. And hit OK, and let's see what happens. Wow, what just happened? Can you see it? Now, these videos are moved in here, between these markers, and there are some gaps between it. Why there are some gaps between it? Because this video is a shorter video and we have a long marker point in here. If I put my marker here, it will be much more easier to find the video. And how can I do it? I can just come in here and press M. If you want to, you see, we just added an M. And you can just come in here, press shift key and move this point between this video, and now find a different video. Let's say we want to add this one. Wow, where's our videos? Right, this one. And again press this automate button, and with these settings add OK. You see, now we added this video between these markers, which is amazing. I'm going to move this video here and make it a little bit longer. Now let's see how we made our first video. Wow, it looks good, right? We just did it in a second actually, and just explaining the tutorial, and we did it. And as you can see, we have some problems in here. We have a small just HD footage in here, but we are using right now it is full HD file. If you have this kind of file, what you can do, you can just select all of these files and right click, then you can choose scale to frame size. It is going to scale all your videos. And this is all actually for today's video. And you can see that you can create this video. Let's just move it and see it, what it has did. And you can do whatever you want using this technique, if you have a different knowledge, and you can go further and do further editing. But this is the actually tutorial for today's video, how to make a music to the beat. It is simple, right? So let's keep going, and I would like to share you another knowledge in this video, because it is some of the important knowledge you need to know, which is the in point and out point. Now, as you can see, if I move on my preview video, you are going to see this green here line, and there's a blue line, and which means that this is the in point. Starting of the blue line, this is the in point, and end of the blue line, it is the out point. And I can change it very easily, and I'm going to show you how can you actually change it. Now I'm coming here. You see, we just changed this blue line, which means that we are changed the in point of the video and the out point of the video, which means that if you have let's say a long footage and you only want to use that some part of the video within that video, you can use this technique. What I did right now, I just move my cursor somewhere else. I just hit the I key on my keyboard, which is in point. Now I'm moving my mouse here. Now I'm going to hit which key? You are super amazing. Okay, it is the O key, which is out point. What you can do actually, you can double click on the video and do it manually. In here, as you can see, there's a line here, a different icon right there, which is this one is the in point, this one is the out point, and this stands for in point, and this one is the out point. You can move your mouse here, press this button, it is going to create an in point. If you move it here, press this button, it is going to create an out point. Also, some of you may ask that, let's say that we have footage, but I want different, parts of that video to use the video. How can I do it? It is very simple actually. You are just going to right click on this one, the video actually you want to use a different parts, and duplicate it. You see, this is this part, duplicate it, and it is going to create a different duplicate. And what you can do, you can just double click if you want to do your in point and out point section from here. Let's say you want to use only this part, in and out, and also you can come here and move your cursor, but don't select the preview window. Move your cursor and hit I, and for in point hit O, for out point, and you can do this technique however you want. But if you are going to create a music to the beat, make sure that you are shooting a small size video, small second videos. Let's say don't go over too much. Make 10-second videos, make 15-12-second videos, but don't take too long videos. And this is the actually another way of shooting if you are going to create this music to the beat videos. If you don't know, now you are knowing. I hope this video actually helped you guys. Now I'm trying to help you making these tutorials in English language, and actually this language is not my first language, it's not my second, it is actually third my language, and I'm trying to do my best. And if you really like this content, please just hit the like button and comment down below, and just encourage me to do more of these tutorials. So I see you in my next video. Till then, make sure you keep smiling. Be happy. Have fun. Bye bye.